Come on, y'all, we about to feed the dogs, man. Some ground beef and ground turkey. That's for the dogs. About to get them up. Come on. Yeah, we about to give them that, some Dime and some Perfect Value. Check me out, check me out. And the last little bit of broccoli we got. Now, I don't know about y'all pets, man, but mine, they will not eat. Well, they're gonna eat, but what they'll do is they'll pick through the dog food and like the vegetables and only eat the meat. So I have to sit here and take my precious time and mix everything in perfectly in order for them to eat. You do that, they're gonna eat. They die, gonna get them straight, boy. Put a little bit on the top, boom, boom. Bam.